Liberty Mutual Estimate Submission. Liberty Mutual allows policyholders to submit damage estimates as part of the claims process for auto and home insurance. Whether you're filing a claim for vehicle repairs or property damage, the company provides multiple ways to submit an estimate. Below, we outline the steps for submitting an estimate to Liberty Mutual. 1. How to submit an auto damage estimate. If your vehicle has been damaged, you can submit an estimate using the following methods. Online submission. Log into your Liberty Mutual account and upload the estimate directly through the claims portal. Mobile app. Submission. Use the Liberty Mutual app to take and upload photos of the damage. Text message. Upload. If eligible, you may receive a link via text message allowing you to submit an estimate and supporting photos. Repair shop estimate. Submission. If you've taken your car to a Liberty Mutual approved repair shop, they can submit the estimate on your behalf. 2. How to submit a home damage estimate. For home insurance claims, the submission process typically involves online claim portal, upload the repair estimate through your Liberty Mutual online account. Agent assistance. Contact a Liberty Mutual claims representative who can guide you through the submission process. Contractor. Submission. If working with a Liberty Mutual approved contractor, they can send the estimate directly to the claims department. 3rd, required documents for estimate submission. Photos of the damage, multiple angles for better assessment, a repair estimate from a licensed repair shop or contractor, any supporting documents such as invoices or receipts for previous repairs. 4. Tips for a smooth estimate submission process. Ensure photos are clear and detailed to help assess the damage accurately. Submit the estimate as soon as possible to avoid delays in claim processing. Keep a copy of all submitted documents for reference. 5th, pros and cons of the estimate submission process. Pros: multiple submission options, online app or agent assistance, quick processing for minor damage claims, direct repair shop and contractor coordination for faster service. Cons: some claims may require an in-person inspection before approval. Processing times can vary based on claim complexity and documentation quality. Submitting an estimate to Liberty Mutual is a straightforward process, whether for auto or home insurance claims. Using their online tools and mobile app can speed up the process and ensure faster claim resolution. To see the best offers on insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.